How to get NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. In this video, I'll show you how to get NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. So to get started, go ahead and open YouTube TV into your browser and then sign into your account if you already have one. But if you don't have one, click on this try 21 days for $0. And that will take you into the section where you need to select the Google account that you want to use to sign up for an account on YouTube TV. Now in here, you need to go ahead and proceed on the plan that you want to avail for your YouTube TV account. So this is the base plan, and as you can see, you can add NFL Sunday ticket. So it is available to add to your base plan. So these are the channels that are available on the base plan, but you can add NFL Sunday ticket if you prefer to do that. So click on the next button and that will take you here. So in here, you can go ahead and select NFL Sunday ticket as an add-on to add to your base plan, since what you want to do is to avail the YouTube TV plan with NFL Sunday ticket. So simply select the one you preferred in here. So as you can see, you can find this available to be paid in full today for $150. And you can also pay for it for 4 months for $37.5 for 4 months. And you can also pay for it month to month, so $85 per month. So select a payment process that you prefer to use and then click on confirm. So as you can see, now that you have added NFL Sunday ticket to your base plan, you can go ahead and proceed on checking out and paying this. So that is how you can basically get NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. So you just need to add NFL Sunday ticket to your plan, and this would be added to your monthly payments, which would be deducted to the payment method that you have added for your YouTube TV account.